In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Amazon package to a different country quickly and easily. This simple process will only take about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to amazon.com. If you're not signed in, click the sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and click continue, then type your password and click sign in again. Once logged in, you'll be on your Amazon homepage. Locate Account and Lists at the top right and hover over it to see the drop-down menu. From there, click Account. In your account settings, scroll down to Ordering and Shopping Preferences and click on it. Next, find your addresses and click on it. This is where you can add, edit, or delete shipping addresses. To send a package internationally, click Add Address. Fill out the form with all the details for the destination in the other country. Recipient's full name, street address, city postal code. Select the correct country from the drop-down menu. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid delivery issues. Once done, click Add Address to save this new international location. Now, when you place an order, select this newly added international address during checkout. This ensures your package is sent to the correct country. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send an Amazon package internationally. Whether it's a birthday gift or a purchase for a loved one overseas, this guide makes the process smooth and stress-free. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides.